Alright, what's good everybody? Today I'm just gonna do an unboxing for you guys. This was something that I picked up from Supreme, but this was off of a restock. I still have some more items coming in from Supreme. I did pay resale for another item, and then when that comes in, I'll let you guys know what it is when it comes in. But for now, I'm wearing this Abercrombie & Fitch shirt, but this is a Supreme video. What am I doing? So I'll be back. Let me put on a Supreme shirt for you guys. Let me get all hype beast out for you guys. As you can see, I really did fall in love with this hat. So this is the Pitbull tee. I'm gonna put it on for you guys. I decided to keep it for myself anyways. Okay guys, so that feels much better having this Supreme shirt on. I know I was clowning it last week saying that I didn't like it because of the red and blue, but I've been seeing pictures of this on Instagram and man, the shirt looks really good. So it's mine now. I'm gonna keep this size medium and it fits me perfect. Real good. It's gonna look good when I make skateboarding videos for you guys. But besides all that, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for the channel. So an unboxing of Supreme. This was a restock item that I was lucky enough to pick up. So let's open it up with our scissors. Alright, so let's get into the package real quick. Okay. Oh man, that's all we got. We didn't get no Supreme Oreo cookies. And the cool thing about this is that we did get a sticker pack, but I already have these stickers. So I think they fugazed me because I only got one box logo and then this sticker. I hope I get my other box logo inside of the box, because if not, okay. Spoke to, oh, and I've been wanting this freaking sticker. Okay, so I got this cool, very cool Supreme like social security sticker right here. I got a box logo and I got the split face. And the item for today is gonna be this umbrella right here. The Supreme umbrella. I would open it for you guys, but the fact that we're having SB Dunks drop this weekend and the Off-White Force dropping this weekend, I don't want to ruin my luck by opening an umbrella inside of the house. I'll open it for you guys outside, but I'm very much thinking about keeping this. If you guys do buy this umbrella, make sure you guys get all this on there. You guys can pause it if you guys want. Hopefully it focused on this, not on my ugly face. Alright, so the Supreme umbrella, super dope box logo right here. It comes with this like bubble wrap on the handle. It also says Shedrain right here. Lifetime warranty, making quality umbrellas since 1947. It is a very nice item. I will be keeping this. I mean, even if it doesn't really rain out here in California, but you know, but this is definitely gonna be an item that I keep. But yeah, man, super nice item. I paid like 75 bucks for this. Hopefully it works since it says lifetime warranty. You get a super nice Supreme tag right here, super fire piece right here. So here we go, the inside. This is what you get in the inside of the umbrella. I'm just too excited because I was drinking out of this Pikachu cup and it's this dark coffee right here. So yeah, here we go. Supreme umbrella, super nice, super fire. For now, this video is done already. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, hit the like button. I'm gonna go outside right now and open this up for you guys. That way you guys can see what it looks like. All right, peace out. Thank you guys for watching and watch out for that coronavirus, bro.
Oh, coronavirus! Oh!
So it opens with the push of a button, and then it closes with the button as well. So check it out. Watch. That's super crazy, bro. I love this umbrella. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys on the next one. Peace out.